Beneath the lush canopy of the Central American jungle, hidden from the eyes of modern civilization, lies an ancient network of roads that once connected the sprawling cities of the Maya. Recent discoveries have shed light on this remarkable infrastructure, revealing the existence of what might be the world's first superhighway system. Join us as we journey back in time to uncover the secrets of the Maya's Forgotten Superhighway, a civilization ahead of its time. The Maya, known for their astronomical knowledge, architectural prowess, and sophisticated calendar systems, have long fascinated scholars. Yet, it was the recent application of LiDAR technology by Guatemala's FAIR's Anthropological Research Foundation that unveiled a new chapter in the story of this ancient civilization, showing us that their achievements in engineering and urban planning were far beyond what we had imagined. The LiDAR revolution. LiDAR, short for light detection and ranging, has become a window into the past, allowing researchers to penetrate the dense foliage of the jungle and reveal the contours of a civilization lost to time. By emitting thousands of laser pulses per second from the air, LiDAR has mapped out nearly 1,000 Maya settlements, including over 400 that were previously unknown to the modern world. Decoding the Maya Superhighway. Among the most astonishing finds were the extensive roadways, measuring around 110 miles in length, some as wide as 130 feet and elevated up to 16 feet above the surrounding landscape. These were not mere paths through the jungle, but sophisticated, engineered routes that connected the vast Maya Empire, facilitating trade, communication, and military movement. Engineering mastery. The Maya's engineering ingenuity didn't stop at road construction. The LiDAR scans revealed complex water management systems, including reservoirs, dams, and canals, showcasing a deep understanding of hydraulic engineering. These systems were critical for sustaining large populations and agriculture in the challenging environment of the Maya lowlands. Cultural and political implications. The superhighway and accompanying infrastructure paint a picture of a highly organized, economically vibrant civilization. The roads likely played a crucial role in the political and social structure of the Maya world, enabling the control and administration of distant cities. The sheer scale of the network suggests a level of political organization and resources that rivals that of contemporary civilizations around the globe. The world of the ancient Maya. But who were the people who walked these ancient highways? The settlements connected by this network were home to millions, including artisans, farmers, traders, priests, and rulers. Life along the superhighway was vibrant, marked by marketplaces bustling with trade, sacred ceremonies, and monumental construction projects that expressed the Maya's cosmological vision and technological capabilities. Legacy and preservation. The discovery of the Maya superhighway challenges our perceptions of pre-Columbian America and underscores the importance of preserving our shared heritage. As we continue to uncover the marvels of the ancient world, we are reminded of the ingenuity and resilience of human civilizations. The Maya Superhighway stands as a testament to their remarkable achievements and a bridge connecting us to the wonders of the ancient world. The ancient highways of the Maya, now emerging from the shadows of the jungle, invite us to reconsider the narrative of human progress. The collaborative efforts of researchers, utilizing groundbreaking technology like LiDAR, have opened a portal to the past, offering us a glimpse into the lives of those who once ruled these lands. As we delve deeper into the secrets of the Maya Superhighway, we embark on an endless journey of discovery, constantly reminded of the complexities and capabilities of the ancient world. This journey through the ancient Maya Superhighway has only just begun. As new discoveries continue to enlighten us, the story of this remarkable civilization grows ever richer. Join us in exploring the mysteries of the past and in celebrating the achievements of those who came before us. Subscribe to our channel for more adventures into the heart of ancient civilizations and help us preserve the legacy of our shared human history. Thank you for watching.